about 20 odd slides. So if it's okay, I'll finish in 2 minutes per slide. No, so let me be brief. Most of you have seen presentations today on the IT aspect of the way the business is changing and the solutions that are there to cater to this change of business needs. I'm moving a little bit away from IT because what we represent and what we really do is about security and surveillance. So some of you are aware, many of you may not be aware what Zycom is all about. What are we doing? How are we addressing the needs of the current set of customers? And that set of customers are varied. So I'll just take a little bit some information about what my previous presenters talked about, and I'll of course talk about what Zycom is doing in that space. So while Microsoft was talking about Office 365, what we talk about is Security 365. What Canon was talking about in terms of managed document services, we talk about managed security services. And these are the needs of different segments of the customer base as of now. Zycom Electronic, the vision of course is that we want to be the company that you trust the most to protect what you value the most. Little brief overview about what the company is. We are actually the pioneers in the security industry. We were founded in 1994. We are actually the first company that came up with a Zycom command center, which is the heart of all the operations, linking each and every customers, and of course providing services. We were the first security company to be listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. We are the most admired security brand in India. And of course, we have expanded beyond India and gone to 3 continents and 5 countries. We have presence there, and we are among the leaders in different aspects of security in the various regions that we operate. Of course, we have a pan-India sales and services reach with over about 400 cities and towns that we are currently being able to service. So we have presence, of course, in UAE, and of course, over the past couple of years, we've been able to deliver a lot of landmark projects like the Mumbai City Surveillance, the Bangalore City Surveillance, the Gurgaon City Surveillance, the Chandigarh City Surveillance, Bharuch City Surveillance. We are active partners in providing security to the Commonwealth Games. We are also involved in the Jaipur City Surveillance. Having mastered the art of providing security to different businesses, we cater to different types of businesses now, catering to different types of needs that they have. The security need of a consumer is different, a security need of a small and medium enterprise is different, a large enterprise or government is totally different. So be it a basic police station managing and mapping the local area, be it a financial institution managing their valuable assets, be it an institution like BARC, be it a temple, a place where a lot of people will be coming. We are in all such places. Wherever the security is required, be it an internal security, be it a perimeter security, we have a solution for all such things. It can be a basic thing of providing a video door phone for your residents so that you actually just view the people who are going to come in, or be it a full-blown end-to-end security. We definitely have solutions for this. Over the years, we've been able to get a lot of reference customers. So some of the names, be it from builder segments, Tata Housing, Ansal, Tridhatu, be it financial institutions, Kotak, HDFC Bank, IDBI, HSBC, retail. Retail actually is now growing in leaps and bounds, and wherever there is a footprint of any retail outlet, there is a requirement for security, not just for the security in terms of access, but also to be able to look at where the pilferage is happening, number of people who are coming in, what is the profile of people coming in. Of course, we have pharma being one of the key drivers of growth. Celebrities, of course, you would have seen us also being linked to Bigg Boss, so we do, of course, a lot of engagements there. And of course, jewelry is one of the key things that is driving security. I'm not sure if many of you have heard about the recent robbery that took place in Hyderabad to the tune of around 23 crores. And therefore, you talk about this kind of different level of security where the jeweler had a basic CCTV solutions, but then also it could not prevent the theft happening. And therefore, we talk about different layers of security that a typical enterprise would require. We have different types of solutions, so be it for the homes and be it for the businesses. So we have catered, we have classified our products in different ways. From a basic cameras that you would typically see in any of the offices, you would also look at access products, which would be not just for access in terms of fingerprints, but also you will also do a little bit of time and attendance. You will do bioprocs. You will do a little bit of attendance plus bioprocs. You would also get in. We also have solutions for fire. So let's say when you talk about a building, you would have solutions for access, for CCTV, and for fire. Then beyond that, typically in places where you would require access to be given to different people, and also having intrusion inbuilt into the solution, we have products which are into alarm systems, which typically would go out into a jewelry or a retail or any kind of places like a banking. We also have solutions which are for entry. So a multi-apartment video door phones that you typically do it in a consumer or a building. We have solutions for those products. Now, having all these solutions basically points to one basic thing about when you're running your own enterprise or when you're giving a solutions to your customers. What really needs to be done is to understand what is the risks that a typical enterprise is having currently, and therefore what level of security would you want to suggest to a typical customer to be able to, for him to feel secure and safe about his business. There are different models which are emerging. The way that Canon was talking about, let's say, a product being sold previously, and now they wanted to a service. Security also has progressed from being a pure play, just a product sale to a customer who then deploys or installs security cameras in their enterprise, to a managed service where the customer says, I don't want to get involved in the hassles of maintaining a camera or seeing whether the recording is happening or no. I trust a company to be giving me a service of security. Therefore, we provide security as a service to customers. We take responsibility of ensuring that the security system is working day in, day out. There is no problem. If there is a problem, we are the ones who take care of it rather than the customer. We are the ones who will be the first one to know if any one of the cameras is not working, if the hard disk is not working, if somebody is blacked out the camera. All such things, the customer doesn't need to know. He needs to know that his enterprise, his shop is secure, and that is what we deliver to the customer. Therefore, the different types of offering that you typically could look at is one, when you're talking about, let's say, office being secured. It could also be intrusion. A jeweler who closes his shop at, let's say, 10 o'clock in the night needs to be told if there is an intrusion happening at 2 o'clock in the night. And at 2 o'clock in the night, if you just have a buzzer or a hooter ringing, nobody will hear it at 2 o'clock in the night. He's saying 5 kilometers away, but he needs to be the first one to know that somebody has entered into a place which nobody should have entered. The jewelry, the theft that happened in Hyderabad could have been avoided if there was intrusion detection, so that even if they broke into a shop, the CCTV captured it, but did not tell the customer that if somebody who was not supposed to enter in that location entered. So all these services, the managed alert services of CCTV, managed alert services of intrusion, of fire, everything is what we provide to the customers. In such a way that at any moment of time, the customer just pays for the peace of mind. He doesn't pay for a product, he doesn't pay for the maintenance, he just pays for the security being provided by Zycom. The other thing, again going back to Microsoft's model, when we talk about security, security on a capital expenditure basis is one thing that a company will look at. Security on an OPEX basis is something that company is interested in working because they're not really putting in money, and that kind of security is something that we can provide on an OPEX basis to all the customers. Time and attendance, typically let's say if there are a lot of enterprises here itself in Odisha which will have deployed 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people, and maintaining their records and time and attendance is definitely a big task. If we are able to not give the solution at the cost of a movie ticket, but what about the cost of a movie ticket for the span of one whole year per employee is what we actually can talk about in terms of delivering this kind of service to the end customer per employee. So we're talking about 1 rupee per employee per day is a cost that a company would pay for managing the time and attendance for any of the products that they are choosing. We have an extensive reach in terms of presence, direct and indirect. So especially for the partners who are catering to customers who have multi-locational presence, we provide them the security benefits of being able to help them deploy all the security solutions to their customers across India, not just in terms of installation, but also in terms of backend support, pre-sale support, be it design and estimation support, product supports, new technology to be given. That is what we really talk about when we talk about being the pioneer in the security industry, leading the way in telling the customers what security is all about, telling them the directions in which they should be looking at. We are talking about currently the transition from an analog business model to an IP business model. We're looking at government becoming more and more active in terms of providing surveillance to their citizens. We're looking at enterprises getting more and more aware about the different levels of security. And we at Zycom are ready to serve all such requirements through our current set of business partners. And especially for Odisha, we are looking at increasing our depth and breadth in terms of partners, and therefore we will really look at new partners coming into our fold. We are always ready to help them develop their business in the security and service industry. So if any one of you would really like to understand, we are there. We will definitely be able to help you out in getting involved in the security and services industry. Thank you very much.